On the Memorial Weekend, we went to Bonneville Salt Flat in Utah. One of my friends always wanted to visit Bonneville Salt Flat, and look at these pictures. Who wouldn't want to visit this place? And one day I was scrolling through my Instagram feed and this picture popped up. We started to plan for a trip, and due to COVID-19 we weren't able to take the plane, so we just decided to drive. We rented a van, packed our gears, packed snacks, and off we went. It took us about 30 hours to get there. It was about 2,000 miles. We really wanted to visit Arches National Park, but due to COVID, the park was closed. However, fittingly, Corona Arch was not in the national park, so we decided to visit. The hike up to Corona Arch was not easy and took way longer than I expected. However, the view was just out of this world. After taking few pictures, we hiked down and headed to Salt Lake City. On the way, we ran into a sandstorm, which none of us saw ever before. After 30 plus hours of driving, we stayed in Salt Lake City for the night and headed to Bonneville Salt Flat the next day.